Welcome to the wonderful world of words.
Today we're talking about types of figurative language. So first we have simile. Simile is a figure of speech that confers two different things using the words like and as. For example, he is as busy as a bee, comparing her busyness to a bee. He's strong like an ox, comparing his strength to an ox.
Metaphor. It is a figure of speech that compares two different things without the word like or as. For example, time is money, suggesting time is valuable, not literally.
Personification. When you give human qualities or characteristics to non-human things, animals, or ideas. For example, the wind whispered through the trees.
Hyperbole. It is a figure of speech where exaggerate or overstate something for emphasis or to make a point. For example, I'm so happy I could beat a horse. The last one is alliteration. The repetition of the some beginning sounds in several words close together. For example, Sally sells seashells by the seashores, repeating the S sound.
So first we have simile. Uy, huwag kayo tawa!
Nagagalaw eh.
Tawanan sila rin.
Hindi!
Figurative language.
So, saan yan? Try mo yan to the wonderful words of words. Uy, Ben, lumapit ka na konti!
Hindi mo para nakita yung logo. Wait lang, pag ganito na lang. Pag ganito.
Logo, Ben! Piusap tayo na konti! Ben!
Bobo ka kasi.